If you want to know how to go from blonde
to brunette
without having to buy a permanent hair dye, damaging your hair, and you just want to trial it out to see if you really actually like it, to then maybe commit, or maybe you just like this product and want to continue playing around and having the option to go back, then keep on watching. Okay, I'm a blonde. I've been going blonde for years, since I was like 15. I'm now 30. I have dyed my hair many a times with box dye and all that kind of stuff since that point, and almost every single time I regret it, but I did want the change. I like to play with different hair colors. I like to experiment. At the end of the day, I love being blonde, but I do get bored and I don't want to commit to doing a permanent hair dye, and I want to break this habit of just coloring my hair and regretting it. So what I wanted to do is I'm going to find the best product to help change up your hair color if you have lighter hair and you would like to go dark, or even if you've got medium to dark hair and you want to change it up. Let's find some products that allow us to do that without having to go permanent or us impulse buying stuff and not being sure if we're gonna love it or not. So I'm trying to stop that whole thing. So the product I have today, and this is purely a theory, I did try and attempt to use this a few months back. Not sure I used it right, so I wanted to sit down and try suss it out properly. But this is the KMS style color, Frosted Brown. Start Style Finish. It's a spray and it's gonna turn my hair this color. That's the theory anyway. So what I wanted to do is just go put this on my hair, see how dark we can get it, see how it feels, if it's an option for us to do this before we then decide to go dark. I'm not looking to go dark, but I am looking to change it up and go dark sometimes, just not permanently. Okay, so I guess a really key thing as well is I wanted to just find out the best method to actually do this. I know it is a spray, so this is what the top looks like here. I should probably be in the bathroom and not wearing this top, but I just want to see if there's another way to do this. So the other tools that I have is a comb, a clip, and I've also got a bowl here and a spoolie. Okay, so I'm just going to shake it well. 6 to 15 centimeters from the head. I definitely went a bit heavy-handed last time I did this. I remember the sprays were more like we just want light sprays. Just light actions. Look at this. Oh, it's getting a little bit dribbly. This is brilliant for grays, for anybody that wants to know. If you want to cover your grays, this is really good. It's definitely tacky. Something to note, the actual feel of your hair does not just feel like hair. Do you know what I mean? So be aware of that. Okay, it feels, I mean, it's not too bad. It's not like not lovely or anything. It's not great, you know what I mean? I feel like I didn't expect it to work this well because I already tried it and I didn't like it. So wear gloves if you want to, but it will just wash off your hands. So you can see, like, obviously it covers really well. I'm totally cool with this color. Totally loving it. That really is like so close to my natural hair color. I'm stoked. So it's obviously streaky. I'm not doing the whole of my head. I need to save it to do the other half of my hair, at least the front, so we can get some kind of like full head look. But this is the difference. You can see it seems to be drying more and more and more, which is so nice. So yeah, I don't know what it's like to style. I don't know what it's like to go out with, or if it transferred to clothes or anything like that. I would say not. It's not transferring to this at all, and this is a light top obviously. I don't mind that it's a bit tacky feeling. It's obviously going to dry a bit more, but I don't know, I quite like it because I like to zhuzh my hair up, so a bit of volume. I don't know, but let's go ahead and do the other half of my hair. A little bit of a warning here if you guys do this. I feel like if you want to do it because you're just tempted to know, don't do it if you're just curious. Like, I just feel like this has made me want to dye my hair dark. Damn it. I really like it. I'm in trouble. I probably miss like all the back. I don't know if I can do much about that though. Yeah, look. Okay, so we've got a problem. I think I want to go dark. So the whole point of this video was to show an alternative to dyeing my hair with box dye if I am blonde and I just wanted to go dark for a little bit. This is the problem, I prefer this, so damn it. So one thing I did want to say is that it does feel really heavy and tacky. I've left it for about 30 minutes now, and it's just more like, I mean, I don't mind it. It's just easier to grip and give volume and all that kind of stuff, but I can't imagine you'd be able to style it that nicely or anything like that. It maybe gives off like a little bit of a wiggy feel, but at the end of the day, I'm not reviewing it as a product to wear out and about and do your thing, though obviously you can still do your hair up and do what you need to do. You're just going to have to be a bit more messy and strategic about it, I guess. But the whole point was using a product that you can just wash out so you can see if you would like to go dark or not, and this would work on any hair color that is not black, I'm guessing. So I'm buggered now. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to get my boyfriend to have a look at this. I've said call me on video when you're ready. I've got something to show you and I will see what happens. But I'm really liking this, and that wasn't the point. The point was to help you guys, not convince me to dye my hair. Damn it. But yeah, I really like it. So I will link down in the description what this product was. I do have another video to do of this, and maybe I'll have a look at some other colors and stuff as well. So this was the frosted brown, and then I've also got vintage blush rose pastel to do a video on as well. But I'll have a look at some more because I never really thought myself to put on a spray just to get an idea and a feel of what things would look like before I dye my hair. One thing I feel like I'm going to get asked is, could you sleep in this? If I was to sleep with this, and I'm actually considering it, I will probably just brush my hair, maybe just plait it, put it into pigtails, and I'm going to put a towel down on my pillow, and then yes, it'll be fine tomorrow, and then I can just wash my hair tomorrow. So it'll be fine to do that if you wanted to have it overnight or whatever, but just care for it so it doesn't get all scraggly. And I would say like my hair length, 1 bottle is enough, and it's probably 2 applications. But yes, now I'm buggered. Damn it, I'm in love. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it, guys. I hope it was really helpful. Just a bit of a different way of thinking. Leave down in the comments any products you know that are supposed to be able to go on blonde hair and then you're able to wash them out. Let me know. I want to know about them. So yeah, comment down below, and thank you so much for watching. This was fun. I enjoyed it. I hope you did too. I'll catch you later.